close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. All right. Take one more deep breath in. Breathe in through your nose and slowly exhale. Pay attention to how your body, your mind, and your soul feels at this very moment. It's okay to feel anxiety, stress, or total relaxation. One more time. Breathe in and slowly exhale. I want you to visualize yourselves on a beautiful white sand beach. Just focus on the white sand beach. Don't move anywhere. Just stand still for a second. And I want you to feel the sand beneath your feet. Take a moment to really feel the temperature of the sand, the texture, and the energy. And while you're doing that, most importantly, breathe in and slowly exhale. And while you're at this beach, and as you start to breathe in, I want you to smell the air in this environment. Pay attention to the gentle breeze that's brushing against your face and your body and your hands. Again, breathe in and slowly exhale. In the distance, you can hear the ocean waves crashing along the shore. I want you to start walking toward the water. And while you're walking, I want you to look up toward the sun, and I want you to feel the sun's energy penetrate your soul. Pay attention to that warmth being connected with your soul. Pay attention to what it feels like. Breathe in and slowly exhale. As you get closer to the ocean water, you start to see the crystal blue water right in front of you. You see the ocean waves, nice and calm, beautiful and gentle. I want you to match your breathing to the calmness of the waves. Breathe in, slowly exhale. Take one step closer to the water and feel the temperature of the water on your feet. Allow your feet to sink into the sand just a little bit. And I want you to feel the energy of the water. As you feel that sun connecting through your head and the energy penetrating your soul, you can feel that energy start to build up in your heart. Now is the moment for you to take a deep breath in again and slowly exhale. I want you to ask for God to stand behind you. And when you feel God standing behind you, Pay attention to how God makes you feel in this very moment. As He puts His hand on your shoulder, you can feel that comfort, that love, most importantly, protection. Breathe in, slowly exhale. I want you to start walking into the water. And as you walk into the water, I want you to get about stomach deep. Visualize that water right at your stomach. And I want you to breathe in and slowly exhale and allow yourselves to submerge your entire body into the water and stand back up. And most importantly, I want you to feel the words, I surrender. You can say quietly to yourselves, I surrender. And as you start to surrender, I want you to release any and all negativity or self doubt that you may have dealt with this entire week. And I want you to feel your best. Pay attention to that beautiful light that's shining from within inside of your soul. Now I want you to feel the words, I am love. Pay attention to what those words mean to you. Beautiful. Now I want you to start walking out of the ocean, and I want you to feel that sun in your back. That is going to be your connection with the spirit world. And as you stand there on this beautiful beach, I want you to embrace it all. Embrace the love that you're being given in this very moment. Most importantly, this peacefulness that you feel. Now, in the distance, you're going to see a beautiful white mist appear in front of you. Take your time, breathe in, and slowly exhale. Focus on your breath. As you see that white mist get closer and closer to you, I want you to feel the beautiful energy that it has to offer. In 3, 2, 1, you see the white mist right in front of you. Don't jump in yet, just be patient. And in this very moment, I want you to ask the spirit world to allow a loved one to step forward. Pay attention to who you think of first. It could be your child, it could be a mother, father. Just focus on that one individual. As you start to see and visualize that first individual, you're going to see their hand appear through the white mist. Don't rush, just breathe in and slowly exhale. I want you to reach forward and grab their hand. And as you grab their hand, I want you to feel their love, kindness, soul, and their energy, most importantly. Feel it just with the touch of a hand. Allow them to pull you into the white mist. As you go into the white mist, you can see your loved one. Embrace those emotions you feel right now of love and security. And I want you to hug them for a second here. And I want you to go chest to chest. Pay attention to what you feel when you hug them. You can feel love. You can feel security. Most importantly, you can feel their heartbeat. You can feel your heartbeat beating with theirs as one. Breathe in and slowly exhale. I want you to take a second. Remember, focus on your breath. And I want you to ask them one question. Most importantly, whatever you feel your heart wants to ask them. Just one question for today, because we got many more to come. And with that question being asked, I want you to feel their answer. Just feel it. You could hear their thoughts, you could hear their emotions, you may even hear their voice. You may even see a symbol. Pay attention to all the small details. I want you to hold that emotion and that feeling and hold on to those details. I want you to say thank you for this experience. Breathe in 3, 2, 1. Allow yourselves to start feeling your physical body right now. Feel your feet, your knees, your hips, feel your stomach, your hands, and slowly open your eyes.